What's going on, traders? Today we're going to be talking about RKDA on the stock ticker. Go ahead and draw this out real quick. RKDA on the stock ticker. I couldn't find an exact share float for this stock, but I know it's low. I know it's under 10 million, I'm pretty sure. Go ahead and correct me in the comments below. I appreciate that. We can see this stock from the August 9th pre-market here. It did pop up from $2, ran all the way up to $3 in pre-market, which is really what started this entire rally. And we can see that, you know, it ran from all the way from the original $2 up to where it is now at $8.75 in after hours here today. So definitely a very big move here. Congrats to anybody who's caught it. Now, as to why this stock is going crazy, I believe it's because they announced a cannabis focused unit, which is, you know, cannabis is hot right now. Everybody's getting into that. So I'm sure that's one of the reasons. If there is more strong fundamental reasons, feel free to let me know in the comments. Appreciate that. Now, we can see it's just been nothing but strong, and this was pre-market for the day before here. And when the market opened, it just went straight up from $6 to $7.30 and pulled back a little bit, but it's holding strong on this VWAP. As you can see, it did not want to break through below the VWAP. It held strong, pushed higher into after hours, and we're way up here at 880 in after hours. So that's crazy. We're going to go ahead and talk about the fundamentals or the technicals really quick, since we just went over the fundamentals a little bit there. Let's go ahead and talk about the technicals. Let's draw our support and resistance. First of all, we got our resistance up here at 890. That's about the highest it hit. We got our support down here at 735. Very interesting. It's definitely whipping up strong in after hours here. We got our median at about $8.10. As you can see, it did break above the median, came back down, retest, found strong support, and we're just sitting right below this 890 level. What I'm going to be looking for tomorrow, I'm sure we'll range in this zone. If not, I'm sure we'll go much higher. I don't know. You know, anything could happen at this point, but we got to look in things at rational every single time. What I'm going to be looking for tomorrow, I'm going to be looking to go bullish on this one, obviously. I want to see, I'm going to have an alert right at 890, so that way when we do break above there, either tomorrow or whenever the case may be, I want to see us slightly come back down, retest off this 890, and I want to see stabilization. I want to see bullish candles, shooting stars, all that good stuff, just like how it broke through above this level, came back down, retest, stopped, had bullish volume. That's basically what we're looking here for tomorrow. And then once we do see it stabilize here and we're looking at level 2, we have other confluence, there's other confirmations, not just this setup. Then what I do is have my order ready. That way when the momentum does return, I'll ride that momentum up to this next resistance, which would be about, you know, 1025 area up here. And so that's the bullish move that I'm going to be looking for tomorrow. I want to see a break above this 890 level. That will be crucial for me. Now, I know a lot of people are not shorting the stock. I personally would not suggest to short it, but people like to short and people want to short, and it's good to know, regardless if you're shorting or not, what to look out for, right? You always want to know what to look out for, at least. So what I'm going to be watching if I was shorting is I'd be watching this 810 level, this median here, and what I would do is watch for a break below there, have an alert set there, so I know exactly when that happens to get me interested. And even if this did happen, it's still very bullish. So I would be so careful. I would not short this stock right now, but that's me, right? And again, what we want to do is, if we're shorting it, see a break below this 810. I'm sure the moving average will swing up here, so we'll be breaking below the moving average at that point. And if you're shorting it, what you'd want to see is a rejection here. You wouldn't want to see support to be able to be found here. You want to see us be rejected here at this 810 level. Once we do get rejected, I would have my order ready here. right below that pullback point, wherever that may be at the time. So that way when that momentum does return, I can ride that momentum down to this next support down here. And it's not a very big range, but personally for me, I'd sell 3/4 of my position, wait to see if we broke below this next important level at 735. And again, I'd watch for a repeat with the VWAP. I'm sure the VWAP will move up just about right here in this area tomorrow. Excuse me. I would watch for a repeat right here. And again, if you're shorting, because if this VWAP swings in and comes, right here, let me draw a little line. Oh, no, I can't remember the color. No, I can't remember the color that I was using. Oh, well. So when that momentum does kick back in, we get rejected here. Of course, the VWAP, if we do break below the VWAP at that same time, it would be very crucial, because when we do break below the VWAP, people panic and people want to sell. And that's really the short play that I'd be watching for, is right here. So 735 is a big level for shorts, because there's a very good chance if we broke below this 810 level, we'll find support here. I'm sure we'd range in here for a while. But if we break below the 735, I definitely watch for a retest off here. If we don't go back up like that, watch your confluence, watch your level 2s, watch all the things you need to watch, whatever your strategy calls for. And then if we do break below that VWAP, definitely watch for a big wave of selling momentum to push us down to this next support, which would be down here at 610 about. So these are the plays I'd be looking for tomorrow. I'm going to be watching going bullish on this one. I'm going to be watching that 890 level very strongly, but my guess is we range in this zone, but we will see tomorrow. So I'm definitely excited and will definitely be watching. So I hope the video helped you. If it did, please hit that like button and subscribe so you get a notification every time I come up with a new video just like this one. Share it on StockTwits, Twitter, Facebook. I really appreciate it. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day.